Matapos nga ang kontrobersya between the family of Dennis Padilla at ang kanyang mga anak at ang dating asawa na si Marjorie Barretos sa kasal ni Claudia na tila hindi nga matanggap na hindi siya naging parte ng entourage until na nagpaliwanag nga itong si Marjorie Barreto. Sa nasabi nga pong naging pagkikita nila Claudia at ng kanyang mga kapatid sa kanyang ama ay malinaw niyang sinabi na maglalakad siyang mag-isa sa aisle na kung saan ay alam daw ito ni Dennis. Kaya naman nagtataka si Marjorie Barreto kung ano ang pinagpuputok ng butsi ni Dennis Padilla na nagpost sa social media ng hindi maganda, kaya naman ang resback ay sa kanyang mga anak. Pero ngayon ay naliwanagan na ang mga netizen na tila ang ama talaga nila ang may problema. Well, isa sa nga nagsalita ngayon ng kanyang experience sa kanyang ama ay si Rica Paralejo. Kanyang ikinuwento ang relasyon niya sa kanyang ama. Ayon kay Rica, because of recent issues, I remembered feeling so strange when my father died and I didn't feel sad. I knew then something was wrong. When I tried to seek deeper, I realized that deep sadness comes with the death of a loved one. But it will only be superficial and shallow when it is the death of a stranger, and when then I realized was that even people you supposedly have lived with for a long time or is tied to you in a strong way can still feel like a stranger in the absence of relationship. Moreover, I realized that parenting is not merely a title or a right, but a relationship you build not only on occasions but through the little things of things consistently over the years. If this is not in place, no matter how strong a tie you have in name, you will be strangers. Why? Some animals eat their young if they don't bond at birth. It's not the labels that knit hearts together but love and presence. Having said that, I still honored my father in ways I could. I gave him my medal after college. I invited him to my wedding. He couldn't come. And most of all, I tried to understand him that something must have happened to my father to cause him to be a certain way, and he didn't quite know how to move forward. Yet, saddest part of it all is that I never got the chance to feel like a daughter to him and him a dad to me. All the cause of unaddressed issues is missing out on the most important things. Alam ng mga netizen na is about the present issue ang tinutukoy ni Rica ay ang pamilya Barreto at Padilla. Sa ilang netizen ang tanda ko, nagsimulang lumayo ang loob ng tatay ni Rica sa kanya nung nagpa-sexy siya na ikwento yan ni Rica sa interview sa kanya sa 700 Club. Nagalit nga daw ang family niya nung naguhubad na siya sa movie, though hindi naman lahat ng family members. So si Rica naman pala ang nag-cause ng drift. Well, ilang mga netizen ang tinuligsa si Rica. Say nila, Rica, this is why people have started to get annoyed by you and your holier-than-thou attitude. You sound so preachy. If you still found it in your heart to honor your father, that's your choice. You cannot impose that to others. You will then say you're just stating your opinion on the matter, but girl, you sound so judgy. Like, you're better because you tried. Some people have just gotten tired of trying and forgiving, and so we should let them be. Nobody asked your opinion, okay? Say naman ng isa at pagtatanggol kay Rica. Wala naman siyang sinabi na masama. Di naman siya nag-i-impose. Sabi nga niya, love and everyday presence ang importante. Hindi yung title lang o blood relationship. Yun ang totoo. Hindi ka nakakaintindi. Say pa ng isa, pakiintindi muna bago mag-react. Pakibasa ng mabuti, pairanin ng brain cells. At, say pa ng isa, huy, ano ang issue mo kay Rica? Ha 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 ha. Halatang ikaw ang bitter sa mga pinagsasasabi mo. She was just sharing her own experience. She doesn't even say or expressing that she's better. OMG girl, baka pwedeng minsan maging open-minded ka naman. Masamayang asyumera ka ng taon, ha ha ha. Well, ayon kay Rica, kung inyong babasahin ang last part ng kanyang mensahe, Minsan, ang pinaka-importanting bagay na mayroon tayo ay namimiss natin. It's because pride na ang umiiral. Sana nga habang nandyan pa yung tao, pairalin ang pagmamahal. Yan naman ang nais niya na ngayon ay hindi na nga mangyayari dahil pumanaw na ang kanyang ama. Welcome makailan lamang sinabi din ni Dennis Padilla na suko na siya at baka daw makita siya ng kanyang mga anak nasa himlaya na siya o wala ng buhay. Yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.